Hello everyone, it's Jessica again. Today I just want to talk about why you should come along to one of our free recruitment startup workshop. The whole purpose of the 5-hour workshop we run in our head office in East Croydon is designed to give you an overview of what this business is all about. As I often mention to all the clients that call in to inquire about the workshop, because I would say 95% of the people that come through to us, they have never been in recruitment before, but from their professional careers, friends, family, they can see the potential in this business for them to make money. But for one reason or another, they have no idea where to go, who to talk to, how to get business, how to make money, how to set it up, etc. And that's why we always say to all our clients to come along to the workshop first, because as part of the workshop, Joe will actually personally show you exactly what it's like to be working in a recruitment agency, to give you a very detailed idea of what recruitment is all about, and also how to actually set your company up, how to make it a success. And he will actually demonstrate to you, where to get clients, where to get candidates, how to make a placement, etc. So he will actually demonstrate a flavor of what you will receive in the one-to-one hands-on training, so you know that you get a taste of the kind of training you will receive once a person invests. And also he will reveal to you, for example, the top 5 industry in terms of recruitment, in terms of growth market you can specialize in. Because I know for many of you, even though you had this idea for a long time in your head to start something in recruitment, but you just don't know which industry to go into, because you've had experience in all different industries. And we would always recommend all our clients to specialize in 1 or 2 industries you have an extensive knowledge of, because obviously when you're talking to a potential client, that's a company that's looking for staff, you will get a better understanding of the people they are looking for, because sometimes clients, they use professional jargons, so unless you're in that industry or you have some kind of experience in that industry, you won't know what they're talking about, and it sometimes can be very embarrassing to ask them, like, can you explain to me what this word means? It just blatantly shows them that you don't know what you're talking about. So obviously having some kind of background information in the industry you're trying to recruit in will help you to maximize the chance of you getting the right candidate to fit the right role. So it will maximize the chance of you making a placement sooner rather than later. But anyway, he will demonstrate all of that to you as part of the workshop, and of course give you a very detailed background information into how he become the man he is today in helping millions of people starting their own business and realize their dream. And also as part of the workshop, you will also meet like-minded people and find out more information about them, and find out why other people want to start the agency. And sometimes you can find that some of them are quite inspirational in their life stories, and you inspire you to to become your own boss and take this journey for yourself. So the workshop is definitely worthwhile, although it's 5 hours. We often get feedbacks from people who attended the workshop, and I can assure you the majority of them do really enjoy it. Even if they don't start this business, they have told us they've found it really helpful, useful, and it's an eye-opener. So it's definitely worthwhile for you to, if you want to have more information on this business, the workshop is definitely a good starting point for you. Thank you.